In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the tailgate hinge on your Toyota Tacoma. With the tailgate open, lift up slightly and remove the cable from the bracket. Do this on both sides. Behind our tailgate is going to be a connector. There's a plastic tab that we're going to push on and release. Pull that bracket out, disconnect the connector for the tailgate, push on this tab, pull straight back. We're going to lift up slightly on the tailgate and pull up on the right side towards us. Pull the harness out of the car. Grab both sides of the tailgate and we're going to pull to the right. Remove our tailgate. We have a few towels set up in our bed so we don't scratch our tailgate while we're working on it. I'm going to lay it down. Using a T40 bit, we're going to remove the 3 screws. There's 2 here and 1 on the bottom. The bolt for our top was broken. There should be 1 more right there. Get the new bracket lined up and install the bolts. Be sure to install the 3rd one in the bottom. Go around and snug them down. Torque the bolts to 13 foot-pounds. Don't forget the one on the bottom. Install the tailgate on the left side first. Get the cup lined up. Get the harness fed through the back of the bed. Install that plastic bracket. Line up the right hinge, lift slightly up and push it into place. Install the cables onto the brackets on either side. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.